25 to 22, or February 25th, the day the gaming world changed forever, because the best game ever was released. Elden Ring.
I wish to lose it, instead I lose it. Self-consumed in my room pursuing music. Mama asking what the fruits is. Why are you useless? Why are you clueless about the world? Have your own things. She thinks I don't give two shits. Truth is, she might be right. I failed to see the light in both gold and family bright. Am I the catcher in the right? Badge in disguise.
Elden Ring, the best game. It even won Game of the Year.
Game of the Year winner is Elden Ring.
I think I want to nominate this award to my Reformed Orthodox Rabbi Bill Clinton. Thank you, everybody.
But sadly, I've never played this game. 1, because I'm too broke, and 2, because my laptop and my Xbox are terrible. But I'm a coder, so my big brain decided that I should make it myself, but better. And also because I've never made a multiplayer game before. So first I came up with a game idea, because even though this game is supposed to be like Elden Ring, I can't do 3D because I suck, and I can't do multiplayer 3D because I suck. So my idea for the game is that it'll be 2D in the same format as Brawlhalla, and everyone starts with a class that they can pick, and there's a timer to like 3 minutes, and when that timer ends, the player with the most kills wins. First, I added multiplayer because I'd rather not do it later and deal with the consequences. So thank you Black Storm Prod for the tutorial, because without you, I would be lost. Also, for multiplayer, I used Photon because I needed a server, and Photon has a free option, and I don't want to spend money because I'm broke. Oh, I have to make an account. Sorry guys, you can't see this as my personal information. And now for the most important part, the server, because that's the only way the players can connect and play with each other. And lose to me. But on Photon they're called apps for some reasons. And now, the Unity store. Because that's where I need to download the Photon package from. And now, why are you saying the same thing again? Time to import. Oh, and I need the app code. So next, it's time for the fun part, which is the coding. Yay, I can't wait.
So now, players should be able to join.
Подожди, TUI должен учиться, чтобы не стать тупым, как американцы.
Well, he's out cold. But now, after 2 hours, we finally got it working. Done a lot, I know, you don't need to praise me. So the players can join other people's rooms now, but they don't show up, so I added them.
Am I a genius, guys? Am I actually a genius? I think I am so smart.
So the issue going on here is, I have no clue. But I do have a fix, which is turning off collisions between players. A cheap fix, I know, but it works, so it doesn't matter. Apparently not. So the reason this happens is because of something to do with the jumping, but I can't really tell because I'm playing on 5 FPS. So it turns out the reason it wasn't working is because I was timesing my Y position by my move speed, so every time I would jump it would just spaz out. But now it works. Okay, onto the miscellaneous stuff. I have no clue what the word means. I'll show it. Whatever it means. I made the lobby user code. I made the camera follow with no bugs. I added dashing, and lastly I added base player sprites. Sadly I didn't use pixel art because I need to switch it up for a change, and a sprite can't handle my sauciness. I'm too cool for school. Now onto the bigger, better, cooler stuff. I added classes because I said I would, and there's gonna be more classes than Elden Ring since this is Elden Ring. But wait, how many classes does Elden Ring have? Oh. So the 3 main classes will be Melee, Mage, Ranger, and maybe Healer if I want to add that. And here's the classes pop up. Yes, I know I'm an amazing graphical designer. And now code. So if you want to know how the code works, cause your name is Daniel, and you wear glasses, and you're a nerd who makes data packs for Java Minecraft, and you look like Sid the Sloth, then keep watching. If not, then just skip like 30 seconds.
Why are you still here?
So the code uses scriptable objects for all the data with these stats, and then there's another script which holds the specific class stat scriptable object it needs as a variable, and this script goes onto the class picker button. So when the player interacts with one of these scripts, the player script inherits all the class stat data from the class picker button script. Terrible explanation, I know, I don't know why I said that end, but it doesn't matter. Anyway, why do they look so drippy? After dealing with so many bugs like the sprites not freaking syncing, which didn't take 4 whole days because nothing decided to work and I had to change the code 3 times, I finished it, so... Wait! This map looks a little boring, so let's mend that issue. So there's 2 parts to this map, which are the lobby, which is where the player spawns, and the battle arena, which is where they answers down in the comments. 3, 2, 1... Battle! You would have never guessed it. I know, it's crazy. Also, a future update will be a 100-player battle royale fight to the death. I have to kill everyone and do... Wait. What is that thing at the top of my screen? Is that like a health? Yes, folks, the health, the most vital part to a game, because it's how the player knows how low they are, and also so they don't become immortal. And as a professional game dev, you know I had to add that because I don't want my game to be terrible. So the health is very simple. The player starts with a set amount of health, and when it reaches 0, they die. Well, not actually die because they respawn. But however, since this is multiplayer, it's just not that simple, is it? There were bugs where the health would sync between the 2 lines, there were bugs where the health wouldn't show, there was bugs where the health wouldn't sync between the own person, so it went terribly. Also, shooting someone wouldn't do damage, but I fixed it, it's okay, you guys don't have to feel sorry for me. So if you didn't know, the weapons are really boring because every single weapon only has one feature, which is shooting. There's no heavy attack, no special attacks, just shooting. And that's boring because as a professional game dev, I want a good game that everyone can enjoy. So I have an idea. What if I added a special attack that's specific to each class? For example, the melee class has a dash attack or something like that. So let's do it.
So I was supposed to do a very cool edit, but the clips are low-key mid, and I'ma be honest, I'm lazy.
And now off to the playtesters. So after a successful playtest, it's time for the final additions, cause this script is getting pretty long. So the 3 last things I will add are finishing the art, cause obviously, the font, cause obviously, the game loop, cause obviously, and maybe blocking, cause obviously. And the first addition is changing the font, because I've had enough of the default font. But first, there's a problem. I don't know how to make fonts, and I don't want to learn. But thankfully, a deep voice frog solved it.
Hello.
He told me that to make fonts, you can download a font template from Calligrapher by clicking create a template, minimal English, download a template, and once that's done, make your font in a different website using that template and re-upload it to Calligrapher. You're welcome guys, no need to thank me. You might use this sometime. Wait, how long is this video? Okay, quick fire round, because I'm not trying to do all this. First, the art. This is me making it, because I don't know what to put here. Done. Next, the game loop, being most kills in 3 minutes equals win, and after grinding off screen, done. And lastly, the blocking. Yeah, this was the easiest part. And after all of this game is not published, but you can change that. I'm broke, so I want to make a full game which I can sell for money, and I really like this game idea. So I have 2 plans for this game. Either A, I publish this game right now and maybe work on it in the future, or B, turn this into a full commercial game which I can sell for money to you guys. Also, this is me playing it with my friends.